okay, Dupreez yes, i-game time Shane. Yabona i-game time akana confident umdlali. Angifuni ukutshela manga. You know ukuthi uDupreez umdlali ufuna ukuthi umdlalise according to strength sakhe. So lento ngimbona mhlambe ayiyo Kaizer Chiefs. We can play but ngiyacabanga ukuthi if you can take uDupreez back to Stellenbosch, he can score goals. Ungambona compete nabo Titus.
In order for him to be the best player, i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga ukuthi idlale kanjani.
Manje for yena Shane. Ngikhuluma ngeconfident. Omunye umuntu angathi okay, siyakuzwa bobo uthi abamdlalisa amabhola behind the defense if i-team mhlambe ishay high line. Bamdlalisa uthola ama 1v1 akakhona ukuscore. That's why ngithi confident akanayo. Kunamabhola la anokwathola according to his strength sakhe, but mina ngiunderstand ukuthi if uzochubeka umdlalisi uDupreez kuya ngala mabhola ukuthi sometimes kumele ukuthi a connect uma ngabe uthathe run. Akwazi une pace, usebenzise leya pace yaka Dupreez njengoba ubona uTitus ayisebenzisa ku Stellenbosch. So kunzima uDupreez ukuthi angeza azojoin afuna ukudlala ibhola. Umbone namhlanje bekadlala esayidini laka left. La khona simbona ukuthi kuyoba nzima for yena ukuthi angayokhatha ina join laba abadlali umdlalo ofana noDupreez. So for me Shane njengoba ngitshela ngakhona ngithi i-confidence kuye ayikho. If mhlambe bekazoyithola bengingasho ngithi okay ungamsebenzisa de ufuna umsebenzisa ngakhona umnikeza lamabhola behind the defense because istrength somdlali Shane ungamana umkhulise lapha nalapha, but uma ngabe umdlali uyamazi ukuthi ugood nga 1 2 3 kumele umsebenzisa according to le strength sakhe.
Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.